Folks, I'm looking at an MRI of a patient that sustained a pectoralis major tendon tear. This is a chest wall MRI. That's what I'm looking at right here, a chest wall MRI. Let me give you perspective so you know what we're looking at. This is the anterior shoulder, and this is the anterior chest. This patient is very athletic. You can see lots of muscle, and there's a lot of swelling here because they just sustained a pectoralis major tendon tear. Now, the tear happened to be a muscular tear or a myotendinous tear. What does myotendinous tear mean? It means that the tear occurred right where the muscle meets the tendon. So some of the tendon is left behind on the bone. We're looking at a cross-section or axial image here as though the patient is lying down. So this is the right chest as though we're looking at from the feet towards the head, top of the chest. This is the lung field right over here. Anterior deltoid. This is anterior deltoid, and this is the pec right here. So you can see this big tear right over here, lots of blood. Usually myotendinous tears lead to a lot of bleeding, especially bleeding on the upper arm and the chest. There's little darker areas here, which are little pieces of the tendon, but most of the tendon is actually still attached to the bone right here. This is the cross-section of the humerus, and there is a tendon right over here, a little bit left over. So the tear occurred here. That's why it's called a myotendinous tear. Oftentimes patients are told that these are not repairable tears. Well, they're actually not repairable, but they are reconstructible. So if you're going to have this type of tear treated, myotendinous tear, the surgeon has to be prepared to use cadaver tissue, also known as allograft, because without allograft, this portion of the muscle will not be pulled enough to reach the bone, and that's why we use allograft for these. If you've been told that your tear is not repairable, reach out to me and I'll do everything I can to help you. This is Dr. Mora showing you a myotendinous tear of the pectoralis MRI.